Hi, my name is Mike Scheuer. I've been servicing equipment for over 30 years and I've been with Freza for 10. Today I'm going to show you how we perform a PM here at Freza Inviting Equipment. When I perform a PM, the first thing I always do is an operational check on the mast, brakes, horn, and lights to determine if there are any issues. Once that is completed, I use an air compressor to blow out the radiator core and remove any debris or dirt from the engine and begin to change the oil and grease the unit. I then do a visual inspection to check for damaged or missing parts or any fluid leaks and record any safety related issues I find along the way. Before finishing up, I make sure to top off all your fluids and make a final visual inspection before closing the hood. It is important to complete all these checkpoints because it will help pinpoint problems with your units and prevent major repairs in the future, saving you money and downtime. I also use a factory gauge to measure the forks and chains to make sure they are within specification before doing a final wipe down on your unit. If you'd like to know more about our PM program and our other services, please visit our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.